lédè, gbogbo ayé ló ti gbọ́. Yorùbá dùn lédè, gbogbo ayé ló ti gbọ́. Kò dìgbà tá a bá ń ròyìn ẹ̀ka. Kò dìgbà tá a bá ń ròyìn ẹ̀ka o. Èdè Yorùbá dùn lédè, gbogbo ayé ló ti gbọ́.
Hello everyone, my name is Yetunde Adebayo. You are welcome to my Yoruba class.
Today, let's talk about ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe, verb is being called ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe in Yoruba. Here are the examples of ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe in Yoruba. Gbé, gbé. This is to carry something. Gbà, gbà. This is to take or to accept something. Jó, jó. This is to dance. Rìn, rìn. This is to walk from one place to another. Fò, fò. This is to jump. Now, repeat the words after me. Gbé, gbé. Gbà, gbà, gbà. Say it again. Gbé, gbé. Gbà, gbà. Jó, jó. Rìn, rìn. Fò, fò. Now, let's use them in sentences. Sentence number 1. Mo gbé ọmọ mi. Mo gbé ọmọ mi. Gbé, don't forget, gbé is to carry. Ọmọ, that's child in Yoruba. Now, let's say the sentence again. Mo gbé ọmọ mi, meaning I carried. Mo gbé ọmọ mi, my child. Ọmọ mi. Mo gbé ọmọ mi, I carried my child. Mo gba owó mi. Mo gba owó mi. Gbà, don't forget, gbà, that's to take or to accept something. Now, our sentence is mo gba owó mi, meaning I take my money or I collected my money. Mo gba owó mi. Mo gba owó mi. Now, sentence number 3. Here we want to use jó. Jó, that is to dance. Ọmọ náà fẹ́ràn láti máa jó. Ọmọ náà fẹ́ràn láti máa jó. What are we saying here? We mean the child likes to dance. Ọmọ náà fẹ́ràn. The child, ọmọ náà fẹ́ràn, likes, láti máa jó, to dance. Ọmọ náà fẹ́ràn láti máa jó. Mo rìn, mo rìn lọ sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ mi. Mo rìn lọ sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ mi, meaning I walk to my school. Mo rìn lọ sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ mi. Rìn, that is to walk. To walk using your leg. To walk from one place to another. In Yoruba, we will say rìn. Mo rìn lọ sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ mi. I walk to my school. Ọmọ náà ń fò kiri. Ọmọ náà ń fò kiri, meaning the child is jumping around. Ọmọ náà ń fò kiri. Don't forget, fò, that is to jump. Kiri, that is to say around. Ọmọ náà ń fò kiri. The child is jumping around. Hope you have learned something today. If you need a Yoruba language teacher, translator, transcriber, proofreader, or content writer, feel free to DM me. Thank you very much for your time. See you again in the next class. And don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to this channel for more of this lesson. God bless you as you do.